Before we get started, I want to tell you about a company who's been providing telecom services since 1985. US Tech is an industry leader in providing low-cost VoIP, UCaaS, SIP trunks, and every kind of telephone service in between, including our new AI agent, which gives your business assurance that you'll never miss a call again. US Tech can drastically lower your phone bills, provide telephone service for your home or business within hours, and provide ongoing technical support along the way. That's US Tech. Call, text, or chat today and let US Tech do the work for you. Now I'm going to show you how to program the DSS and BLF keys on the T74w. Press and hold any empty button that you have, and up at the top it's going to say type, and you're going to want to toggle over to BLF. Once you're there, you can scroll down or push the middle button and it'll go automatically to value, but you want to start with the label, so you can scroll to the label, and then you're going to toggle through the appropriate characters below to enter the name on the dial pad. Just like this. And when you're done, just push save. And now you can see 103 is right there, the BLF button. You can push to call that extension, and you can see if they're on the phone as well. And that's all there is to it.